Council Badwam DNA yadani teko tego ase nini nkwanshen samwa anopai ode amaye jaimu manenka de adu sono kase no de toja omu bi ya wobetini Allied Health Professional Council enso se womahunu se enipa bi bo wo ho safo hene so wo ye doctors wo hospitals ahodo a wo nye doctors wo bebawura ho no yi safo ni nyina de afri ho ye de sansam no ebeba ekokuma wo mraso bedwafie mu anyi aban no enni won sama wo ka se IMF ebeso ya sene no ye economy no amanimu so eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra and a Go TV channel 119 DSTV channel no 280 me dem live on so YouTube Adom TV tube me de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se de nsem ni nchiremu ete ankasa. Allied Health Professions Council abo entrani bi se free ekure hospitals ahodo a won monye won wadwuma se a hospital for anase wo monfa enimdefo ya wo munim de ewa pomudin mu sa doctor fo anase de no obebawuram na afi wo yi wo nyina nso de afri ho na won mo ekasemu no yenhwehwemu ahodo a won mo aye ene won mo a won hododo won se patient na ama won sa ka Deputy Director in charge of Public Affairs at that council no ano kwaku asenso brobe ene de sansemi etuja.
Asudie say ye hwe say Allied Health Services aye de ma Ghana for no within your facilities nyina say a private facility say a public facility and say a quasi facility. I mean as I say of top notch, as I say the highest standard and then no ye di kan ewo Gan East yakwa kwhwe ho na ne yehu ye no na mostly na esoye ni you can say ni so apart from any man kakra bia na SSA o mototo ye ne management na kan mo matias ye say o mbedi hu djuma
Penimpa wo da lab department ano ewa yaresabia ho Dr. Martha Lamte e kire wo hawo a asoye no ewo
edro a ye ni etwa so there is break in the testing no e dey acho muni na machines bia ye hia ye dey beboa ayarefo no se na ebe ya chin se o mo ye test bia ye nye ewo ha ansa na doctors etumi ahwo se dey acho muni so mo kompanyfo ni ma o me ma o ma susu na se mbo bi wo ha o mesumi di aboa yen
Shebejafie meche minority se aban sama wo kan da na no se wo IMF so ayaso ya senti o mai sikasam manimu so no ekokuma se wormo anyi entumu sentwefo nhyiamudie na Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Ernest Addison ani o mai yemfoto sani Ken Oforiata edo etudwa nanso minority spokesperson on finance ora Isaac Adongo ehunu ne Adom kase etwaso.
You can't take end year inflation of 2022 and compare it to any of the inflation other than December 2023. That is how you compare apples to apples. Because the inflation that you find in any period, year on year, is compared to the same period the previous year. And we are not in December. The inflation we are seeing today has different seasonal and cyclical pressures compared to that of December.
And wachi oto aso asa kire mu se be ye mreka kre ni de Ghana ban no ama Ghana de hye etwefa mu bupan yi ena monsuo ne nyina monkane aboa opegya mu ni nyina mponda nche no eto aban no egide fi Ghana de hye honom no eni soso a ha adwempan yi.
We have achieved this with electricity bills more than tripling. In fact, every quarter we experience close to 30% jump every quarter. So electricity bills are now almost 4 times what we were paying last year. This is the suffering of Ghanaians. We have achieved this by destroying value of the Ghanaian through a domestic debt exchange program, which did not even spare poor pensioners.
Hey. Regional Coordinating Council no ebete task force ya one more ebeko miamia hodo na miebia yesisi dan yasie ni kwanse esie nti yesi show ekwan no obeyi free hono mo na we no ka hunti ne show to kakra bia na eyiri asenya pade
Sawon kranya empatem ahodo bi ewo ho a ensuo etowi a omanfo eho chiomo pa ensuo eto a aya na eyiri fa omanfo enyapade ahodo ebi mukura timi eto nananom ewo nsiedo we enam so ama Greater Accra Regional Minister Henry Cote e de abetudwa se Regional Coordinating Council e de niema ahodo bi egu akwam a womo ebeti task force a omanfo a womo esisi adan ahodo ewo bebi a ensuo efa no safo no womo bedwiri womo dan nina atu egu sane beboa ama ensuo a eyiri fa omanfo ejapade no abrase
na nui into MMDC is macatro so be task force. In fact, by next 2 weeks there will be a task force from the region sanctioned by my good self. They are going to go around every Nkrampotemha and then YCC want the report to back says any permits near share na say any permit na say baby esisusu no edin sunsun so beba ebebubu no esan say ensem mi na meka e wo ramsa ensem chofo me ka kire mu na ekoye se bia me na mabo mitum na ana mesum na meka sa na anu nso to ndie meka na bem no meka se ramsa ho no se anhwe na se ni hu dwuma na se the emotions beka ho a emene bi beso no wo mo ti trasako mo make wo mo fie it will be submerged.
Penifo ya womoda kintampo waterfalls ano sanukure bi animo ewo video bi a abayiwa bi ede na mountain so kire se waterfalls no asesa kala nsuo nani adane ya ejina se yetu famagudie ewo empotamu ho nanso penifo eda kintampo waterfalls sanukure bi anim nemom ensure pumpum empotamu ho no wo ye construction wo ho nti ensure ne to ye no na atwi e de abegum nti amani asesasa won samo de tudwa eni
Enche bia na kasamfonyi bi betudwa abaywa bia wono de nani ye trek ntampo waterfalls na wo kire se enam galamse dwumadi bia ekoso obrono ne so ne nteno amaki ntampo waterfalls nso ne nyina eni asesa na wo sanse mi ho no ene mpanyifo wo mo ehwe ntampo waterfalls ne so abekasa wo kire se abaywa ne nsema wo kaaye o kasamfonyi ne mo no enya de sanokure bia ewom na de ntia nso nani edane ye no ene se October bosmeda na etoswenum wa fimpinu ne adonomiesa ne mo no nso ni bi yeto honom na enam se na mo kwantempon no panyifo yeso sisi ni tino ena nsuo ne twe kwantempon ne so anwea bebo waterfalls ni mu a ema waterfalls ni nsuo nani edane ye Enwachi Puno is Mantemu Director Emma Ghana Tourism Authority Mr. Piaji and so carried to us to say
as at 9th October Sabri Amobe 10:45 and I'm in the Mokasa in Dampo Waterfalls nsuo no say na say here since you said last week we are in the rainy season. In the sense you na Susan Abefra and no man soon any assistant. Say you need to a better cry, a say, or more construction, or more constructed bridge on the river Pumpu. And it's a view hard, a Jumano my own. We should talk as if Susan to be part at the neighbor. Say, I'm in Okasadia. Say, and soon any tear. Since you know, Gusso to a talk as here, who wants to Susano the construction work in the Baba film. A high area into Galamsey. In Tampo form, we are hard working people.
If you are who bear 175 war on La Beach, a Shama Mensimu at Montemon, say. Onya baby and na esan eye aswochira abwa baba boyfriend awrafie mu nene ya make say kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama oye Franka Tuni de mandisi amanyokuo no akwakoye wono mo adoye na mmom no na the assembly no ye senko baba ehwe baby di wo matena ne de no nya adwuma ye koso Adom TV etwaso
Omanfo a womo ewo anlo ebicha no a epoasoche a edi nsuo etwifo omanfo enyapade esoi enyamoa efi omampeni dada John Dramani Mahama omanfo ebekaya epoasoche ekotwifo omanfo enyapade so esse suku adan ahodo eni chief palace eni enyapade ahodo bi ewo mpatemu na brasa atorenchemi ebaye omanfo ho kire omopa ye
Da you be 1 o'clock. Me punu start ejuma. Fit you be na ade achi. Wanja ejuma no nti e pocho wi hwe bibi man asasi bi man yen kotina ho ye libre.
See, you know, as it rains, it rains heavy, where they listen to the air, the wind to blow. So maybe it's against the wind. That's where the season seminars. So it started around 1 a.m. today.
But me yes, ebe to me ahwe mi kakra de. Ade ba chi wo mi so wodan. Te se mi hu baby ami dampo. Nti na me yes ade we se mi da dem kakra.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no na nkramanta mi mosofo Henry Cote de ato MMDC sempanifo enimu ne coordinating directors no so omo enhwe na wo mansin no nkropon ahodo mu no ehhehye na dedada ho no enhwe se ni nyina betumi aye adwuma na na me no so ombetumi anya sikade afri ho na wo de abo wo mbra se mansin Adom TV etwaso
Yeah, well, gift mix. You use so, and to me, this says so. More use gift mix now. It will not be too difficult for them, and I'm sure that it will be able to deal with the issues that gift mix have raised. Also, I reminded them of Let's Make Greater Accra work since this is an annual budget hearing or review, and also how best we can improve upon the implementation of Operation Clean Your Frontage, because me feel say where there are fines at their respective MMDAs, it will help them to get other things done.
Director General Emma Internal Audit Agency ewo Ghana ha I no ene share asoya womo enehwe Ghana sikasem eso Dr. Eric Odro Osai enso editor MMDAs enim se womo enhwe se womo bepeja womo sikasem mu.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone has a part to play, as I firmly believe that your unwavering commitment to fiscal responsibility during these trying times will be instrumental in helping us navigate this situation and ultimately guide us back to a path of economic growth and fiscal consolidation.
My uncle from Montom Nimo na swafo war voter region Dr. Archibald Lacha na what apro akọ tenaya hodo fufuro bi ayaye wo ne Montom no mu kwakọ hwese de adwuma na kwakọ duro na fe adwuma efo wo ho nso ono wo di nkomo.
We are 100% with the structural works, and then architectural finishes, we are around 60 to 70%. But for the external works, we are yet to touch them because of the rains issues and all of that. We do not want to start with it because the moment we start and the rain comes down, we are going to have a whole lot of issues, and then it's going to be a cost on the contractor.
Owie no osofo inso editu dwa se aban no ede nhihye egu akwam se ne project ya wo mo eye ebeko nanim.
You know, Ho and Pando have not had decent office accommodation for years. It was decided, Honorable Dambuche came around and we felt that Ho deserves a decent office accommodation, Ho Assembly, to befit the status of a municipal assembly. And then Pando also never had. So we made provision for Pando and Ho. And then we also, some of the assemblies who are small, and we want to do expansion. So we want to start with Afajato. So we are very grateful to His Excellency the President for agreeing to let this happen.
Dean, one other School of Medicine, War University of Development Studies, Professor Stephen Tabri. Now, was it Ghana, baby, no, here, Sempeni for ye, Titia Doctor for the Duanua, na and Tokrona Bedahono. Yede echichi officer ne ya dokota fo apomode adwuma 42 no ano omo buakete moko obi manso Adom kase etwaso.
Purpose of this gathering is to look at how we can increase the number of doctors in Ghana for the agenda or the project of providing universal health care for all Ghanaian citizens irrespective of where you live. In order to achieve that, we need to increase the number of doctors that we are training as a nation every year. The only way we can do that and the only way to achieve this is to work together with the institutions.
Wasan edi to dwa se a doctor for a womo efiri oman mu ha ekọ aman ahodo ekoye adwuma no eyade aban no entimi ensi ano kwan na mum esese aban no edi nhyehyeye egu akwam se ne ekọ a womo ekọ no ntokuru ebeda ho no womo betumi esisi ni na
foreign development, and we can also stop them. There will be some mechanism we'll try to stop them, but it may be difficult. The only thing we can do is to increase the numbers. So once we are doing this partnership, that will give us the opportunity to increase the numbers so that even if some are going to leave, we're still going to have a substantial number that will provide the needed health care for Ghanaian citizens.
So I wa pomden sem ni mo na Family Health Division ye share Ghana Health Service ase womo ene won krabata hodo ahia ya womo 4th National Maternal Child Health and Nutrition Conference no womo de ahyehyɛ so e won kran
enam yensan hyiamu a wonom eye no enema bia obedwendwene ho eye kwan a obefa so aka apomudin adwumayefo nyina abomu se de be ya obeboa ayarehwɛ e wo mansini ene enkronkuma mu tina mensa swafo abi de akira wo hwɛ apomudin ho nsɛm so wɔkasa odwumadi na se na odi tudwa se asoɛ na ekrado se wonom beboa na enhyehyɛ biara wodi begu akwan mu beboa se de be ya ema wo kwa wo so a hwere won kwa eso betie wo man mu no obetumi aduru ho.
The ministry and its agencies, including the Ghana Health Service, will continue to scale up proven interventions that will ultimately reduce maternal mortality rate, enhance access to skilled birth attendants, and ensure comprehensive antenatal and postnatal care for all women. Additionally, we will continue with efforts to improve our healthcare infrastructure, training and posting of healthcare professionals, and advocacy on maternal health issues to ensure that significant strides are made towards ensuring safe and positive birth experiences for every mother.
Mamijine no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na no pe ya ha na bema kwan na media sie aseda yo dia emrani adaje a wode ma minti medin afia amankwa tamaklo menkoi de bonkrata na ye krado wa ha online stories no so e wa ha itwam ho kitwa yaba oman so wa ha ye de atwa so